So hello guys, we are back. Now we will be talking about the packing list for the international student who gonna come this intake 2023. So I gonna share about the women part and he gonna talk about the men's part.
The video is divided into the following parts. You can see the clothes section, household items, toiletries, kitchen supplies, electronic devices and other accessories. So in case if anything is left out, you can comment down which is necessary and mandatory. International students should bring that. You can comment down. Let's start the video. So clothes section for the women.
So clothes should be divided into two sectors. One for the summer sector, one for the winter sector. The time you gonna come, this is winter, October. So that not will be that chilly or that summer, but you should bring the necessary items such as the undergarments that is really necessary for a woman, and also you don't need to bring all kind of jumpers and sweatshirt, everything. Just one or two, maximum two for a month or two, because after that 2 months you will start walking, you're gonna buy. And my suggestion would be Primark, and that is really student friendly. Now let's go to like dresses. Yeah, you should bring 2, 3 or maximum 5 dresses according to your size, according to your comfort zone, because you're gonna line up with different freshers and welcome parties or the DJ night, desi nights. Also I would suggest Diwali is coming and it's near, so you're gonna spend your Diwali over here, so bring some traditional coats, not many but some, 1 or 2 will go. Like I brought two traditional coats. Is really good.
So according to the men section, if you want to buy the sweatshirt from India or your home country, I will suggest like if you already have 1 or 2 sweatshirt or jumpers, you can bring that old one. Otherwise, if you are planning to buy from your home country, I would suggest just come here and you can buy it from here, because the weather, and according to the weather, the clothes are really weather friendly, so you can buy the jumpers and sweatshirt from here. According to the traditional dress, yes, you can buy from your home country. 1 or 2 pairs of the traditional dress would be better, because here the traditional dresses are much costlier, so it would be better if you buy it from your home country. Let's talk about the shoes. So if you are bringing the shoes, let's talk like if you want to bring the shoes, the 2 pairs of the shoes would be better. Definitely you should bring the formal shoes, 1 pair, and the normal general purpose shoes like normally sneakers, or you can bring any shoes for the general purpose use like daily wear. You can bring 1 pair. Otherwise, if you want to buy more, you can buy from UK. There is lot of varieties and lot of many options are available in the UK to buy.
Same goes for the girls. You can buy formals, because if you want to go for the part-time like waitering job or any other job, you have to buy a formals for waitering job. It's better to get it from India for your shoe size and everything. Otherwise you'll get over here. And for traditional purpose, one pair of mojis or anything, 1 pair of heels or any stilettos, it's better. You can also get it from here. Or boots, you don't need to buy boots from India, you can buy from here. And that's it. And that is normal sneaker, the walking shoe. Oh yeah, you can get the free gym access if you're living in uni accommodation, so you can buy your trainers as well.
Same goes to the boys. If you want to bring your trainers, you can bring that as well. But if you are planning to buy new shoes in the India or in your home country, you can buy it from here.
So this portion will be for both the boys and girls. Pair of socks, mainly 3 or 4 pair of socks, like hat and everything. If you want to bring gloves for the initial days, so if you want to bring any kind of like sweater and all, don't need to bring that. Jumper is already okay, but still you can buy.
Talk about now the household item. So according to the household item, so reading lamp is not necessary, because there is no need of the reading lamp. You can buy it from here. Air freshener, I don't think so you should buy from your home country. You can easily buy it from here. Shoe brush, you can buy 1, but otherwise you can get it here in the UK cheaper. And towel, obviously you should buy 1 or 2 pairs of the towels for yourself. And the iron, I don't think so you should buy the iron from your home country. You can easily and cheaper get from here. Also like the socket difference, because the UK has the different socket or the charger pin. So you should buy it from here if you are planning to buy the iron or any other electronic gadget. So you should plan to buy from UK, not from your home country. And the hairbrush, obviously you should bring the hairbrush and nail cutters, one pair. What about the girls?
Same goes for the girls, and I would suggest regarding it's come in personal hygiene or something like that. So cosmetics. So for the girls, hair straightener, hair dryer, you must carry your own personal items because so that you don't have to depend on any other girls or your roommate. And if you need hair curler or any other hair related product, you should buy. And also don't forget to buy the UK adapter. You have to carry one or three, at least three maximum. I carry three, and it's easily, you can buy it from Amazon. It's really cheap. It's around 600, and here means £6. So it's really cheap in Amazon. So you can buy that UK adapter because UK doesn't have that Indian adapter type.
Okay. Let's talk about now toiletries and personal items. I'm going to complete the men's section. So toilet cleaning brush, I don't think so you need that. So floor and carpet cleaning brush, I don't think so you need that as well. Shampoo, I think you should bring a small packet or small bottle of the shampoo. You can bring that. Otherwise you can easily get from UK or nearby the grocery or the supermarket. In UK I'm talking about, not from your home country. You should not bring the 2 liter or 5 liter of the bottle for the shampoo. You can easily buy it from UK. So nail clipper, I think you should buy it from your home country. A small mirror, I think if you have, or you can buy it from India or your home country, that would be easier. Otherwise you can easily get all these items from UK supermarkets. And let's talk about the toothbrush. I think you should bring 2 to 3 or the 4 or 5 pairs of the toothbrush. That will be really easier for you. Otherwise, like in the UK, that is also cheaper, not that expensive, but it would be better if you buy it from your home country, because in your home country I would believe that would be much cheaper than UK prices. And the skincare creams, I think for the initial days you can buy one set of shaving lotion. I don't know, but you can carry one pair maybe. And hair gel goes the same. Blades and the shaving, you can carry the one set. Otherwise you will easily get it from the UK supermarket. And I think these are in my main section. So what about the women's?
So for the women's section,
Yeah.
so I would really want to talk about the toilet cleaning brush because I brought one. So if you're really that organized and really that equipped, you should bring one and carry for yourself. And now coming to the shampoo and everything, please bring this, keep in mind, for 1 month, for initial months, not more than that. Don't carry so much luggage unnecessarily, because Poundland is the best place for you to buy this kind of product. And you will really get in £1, starting from any cosmetics item. Like I really bought few that like kajal, mascara and all. If you really, your skin needs medication, you'll also get that. Like my skin really need medication, like Cetaphil is a medicated face cleanser, right? So Cetaphil I get over here is really cheap, and you really get the big one. So it's good. You can buy from Poundland. And kajal, cosmetics, and really cheaper from India. And about the sanitary napkins, this is must. I would say, from my personal experience, I'm saying sanitary napkins, if you prefer from your home country like Stay Free or any other brand, you can bring that, because I prefer that from my home country. I used to get rashes, so you can get it from here. It's really cheap and available, but better to get from your home country. For the initial days, you should bring for 1 or 2 or really 5. It doesn't matter, because you'll be busy with finding jobs and everything. Nobody is going to see your nails, but yeah, you shouldn't be left out. So you should bring your nail polish remover or nail filer and everything. And don't forget about bringing your own personal hair brush. Now the kitchen supplies part. For the initial days, you should bring some spoon, cups, plates, knives, and dishwasher if you want to. And knives, one more thing, sharp objects come under sharp object. So if you're buying knives from Tesco or from UK especially, you need to carry your iCard or student card. Even you are carrying your friend with you, so that person should also have the student card. Otherwise, they don't sell any sharp object, and knives comes under sharp object. This is a personal and experience I'm sharing from my side.
If you are planning to buy the sharp object or like knife and forks, etc., so you can bring that in the check-in luggage, not in the hand luggage. These are the airport guidelines, so you might be aware.
And please follow the airport guidelines. Go through the website. I flew from Emirates, so I go through the guidelines before coming. Check the band list and everything. How much liquid you should carry and all. Go through the guidelines before flying.
And also check your luggage weightage. How much is the allowance? So let's talk about the next section, that is the electronics item. So if you are planning to buy the cell phones or the new laptop from your home country, so I will suggest you can buy it from here because you will get the student discount along with it. You can get the UK adapter, so that would be beneficial. You don't have to use the Indian adapter, then you have to connect the charger, so that will be beneficial. Also, like as I told you, you can get the student discount. So you should bring the adapter like 2 to 3 pairs. That would be easier. So headphones, it's your personal choice. If you want to really listen or enjoy music, or you want to attend lectures as well, because some lectures would be online, so you can attend that as well using the headphones. And digital camera, that would be your personal preference. How about you?
Same, like, okay, my experience, like I have to buy a new laptop for myself because for the dissertation I'm from biotech, so I have to use a different software. It needs most 32 GB RAM, so I anyhow have to buy, and I get easy cheap discount as a student. So it's better you buy over here. Many of my friends bought their laptop from here, and initial days don't worry about the laptop, because any university is really student friendly with the equipments, mainly with the equipments like laptop, books and everything. You can also loan the laptop from the library for 3 hours for your personal project. So university is really good with the good environment, and if you're coming to Essex, you're really a blessed students. And it's got really student-friendly equipments and spaces for the students.
So let's talk about now medicine section.
Please, I would suggest, please bring as many as you can, because initial days you're not going to register with the GP. You have to find your GP. We have to go through some online process and all. And by God forbid, if you're catching cold and everything, is better to have paracetamol or the vapor tablets or anything, and get a prescription. Okay. I would say take 2-3 sets of medicine, not to bring that much of cosmetic and dress is better. And if you're anyone specialized with thyroid or any other PCOS or any other diseases, anything, pressure or anything, please take your medicine from your own GP, like from India, and get it like 6 sets or something like that. And no one is going to ban your medicine, because it's
Correct.
your personal thing.
Yeah.
So also bring thermometer. If you want to bring, you can bring thermometer, both digital and the old one.
So I believe general purpose medicines you can bring, definitely you should bring like 2 to 3 or 4 pairs. And like any specific disease medicines, you should definitely bring with your prescription from your home country. And you can bring like extra medicines of your prescribed disease one.
And also I want to talk about the spectacles. Bring 6 pairs, like if you are going to different dresses or something, and you should always bring backups, because spectacles over here is really costly, really costly. That's it.
Correct.
Also sunglasses, it's up to you. If you have got some power in your eyes, so you better use the power sunglasses, and you can get a really handy sunglasses from here as well, from Primark. It's really £1, £2. It's really cheap, so you don't need to carry sunglasses from India.
Now I'm talking about the notebook. You want to actually bring 1 or 2 notebook, that is really fine. But like if you are trying to bring 5 or 7 pairs of the notebook, that is really not useful, because nowadays most of the classes are online or the computer based. Like you have to study most of the time on your system or the computer, so you don't need handbooks in most of the time. And pen, paper, like you can bring 1 or 2 pairs, no need to bring extra pairs.
So also you should bring 1 pair of sleepers for initial days, for your washroom wear or anything for a home purpose. because it's really good to have one. About the spices and masalas, what you need to bring. So you need to make Maggi masala, whole lot of Maggi masala, and about that garam masala, then chicken masala. You're a big time foodie, then you need to have basic spices like haldi, salt and sugar and cumin seeds and everything, and oil. As we said earlier, check the airlines guidelines how much liquid you are allowed to buy, you are allowed to carry actually. So for general purpose you can take 1 liter of that oil, otherwise you can buy it from Tesco. Is really good and cheap, and
don't bring the salt and sugar because it's feels something different. So the airport authorities might able to check your luggage. So don't bring that salt and sugar. You can really and easily buy from Tesco or any superstore from UK.
So if you're a tea or coffee lover, you should bring like 1 packet of Red Label or coffee.
According to your preference.
According to your preference,
whatever your
it's like that. Otherwise, for the initial days, like months and all, for your survival. And Maggi, of course, cook to go, like ready to cook. Actually,
you can bring that.
You can bring that. It's really good for the initial days if you miss your home country food or your and namkeens,
namkeen biscuits and chips. You can bring like 2-3 पैकेट्स और 2-3 सेट्स लाइक नमकीन चिप्स एंड बिस्किट्स. बाकी यही सब था आज की वीडियो में. बताना वीडियो कैसी लगी आपको, इन्फॉर्मेटिव थी या नहीं थी. तो बाकी अगर मेरे एंड से कुछ रह गया हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना और कमेंट जरूर कर देना. तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.